Welcome to Delhi Mahalakshmi Polytechnic Titwara. We are from Department of Computer Engineering and Information Technology. Semester 3rd subject Computer Graphics. Myself Miss Anita Shirture. We have already discussed about the theory part of computer graphics. So there are the 5 chapters are given. So we will finish the theory parts, but some chapter number 5 is remaining, and I will give you the after the practicals examination. And so then we will start now the practical one. The practical one is write a program to draw the following graphics object using built-in C function. So then using the C function, so you have to download the Turbo C in your PC, because these all programs are run on the Turbo C program. So you have to download this Turbo C on your PC. So let's start the practical number 1. Write a program to draw following graphics objects using built-in C functions. We had already discussed about that the C programming languages. So you have to learn about the C languages, and you are familiar with C functions. So let's start the practical number 1. Everyone knows about the graphics because the subject is computer graphics, and everyone knows about what is graphics. Graphics is the images, and in this, using this program, C programs, we can draw the pixels, lines, circles, rectangles, and ellipse. So in this program, in this practical, we will execute the programs, and after that the output will be there, the pixel or lines, circles, and rectangles. 5 programs are executed, you will be executed in this video. So next start the practical number 1. The programs to draw the basic graphics objects. Here the practical significance are there. Practical significance: the computer graphics provides the different graphics functions to draw a various graphics objects. By using these basic graphics functions, students will able to construct pixels, lines, circles, rectangle, and ellipses are there. The basic program outcomes of this video, of this practical. So the basic knowledge, discipline knowledge, experiments and practice, then engineering tools and communications are there. Then develop a C program to draw the basic graphics objects. Is write a syntax for graphics function. So, and write and save the simple C programs. Set up graphics drivers, graphics mode, and directory to run graphics program, and compile the C programs in a Turbo C and debug and execute the programs. Then simple steps in, you have to write the programs in a Turbo C, and after that the compile the programs. If error is found in there, then you have to solve the errors, and after that execute the programs. Then the graphics mode functions are here. The init graph. First step is the init graph. Then path are given, and line, close graph, and raster mode. So init graph is a ready-made functions which is used to initialize the graphic mode. for our system. It selects the best resolution for our PC and assign that the value at a two mode in a variable GM and GD. In a init graph functions, these init graph functions is allocated the variables is the GM and GD are there. So we can assign some fixed value also for the variable GD and GM, and since we are passing the address of the constant, we are using & symbol for the init graph functions. And then path are given for the taking the images, taking the path for the executions are there, and then the line functions are there. Close graph. The close graph command is used to come out of a graphics mode and they sets the display mode to its original text mode. If we don't use these functions, then we may not be able to see the cursor blinking because the cursor is the text mode and the characters is the not the graphics mode. Then what is the text mode and the graphics mode? Then the text mode, the computer graphics mode is divided into two parts, the text mode and graphics mode. And the text mode, the screen is divided into character positions. The number of pixels are making the one graphics are there. So the screen is divided into character position and screen is mapped as a number of rows and columns. Then here the text mode functions is the put ch functions are there, clr scr functions are there, go to xy functions are there, and text colors are there. So put ch is used for the display the single character at a cursor position. Then clr scr is already known about that, the clear the entire screen, and the go to xy is the xy positions are there. These are coordinates. Using these coordinates you can make the some pictures are there. So the go to xy is the position the cursor to specifies the locations on the screen, and using these functions you can move the coordinates from one place to another. And then the text color is apply color to text. And after that the graphics mode, the screen is divided into pixels. While the working in C programming language, the default output mode is text mode. To draw graphics objects on the screen mode to graphics mode, use the functions below. The void init graph functions, graph drivers, init graph mode, and character path to drivers are there. And here these functions are used in the void close graph is functions closes the graphics mode, deallocates all memory allocated by graphing systems and restore the screen to the text mode. Then put pixels int integer x, integer y, and colors are there. Then put pixel function is used to draw the pixels at given position x and y and with a given color. And similar is the line integer x1, integer y1, integer x2, and integer y2. Then this line functions is used to draw a line from the point x1 y1 starting point to point x2 y2 is the ending point. And then the circle functions is there, the integer x, integer y, and the integer radius are given there. Everyone knows about that. The radius are calculated for the circles, and the circle functions is used to draw a circles with a center xy and the radius of circles are there. Then rectangles, the rectangles is the integer left, integer top, integer right, and integer bottoms are there. The rectangle functions is used to draw a rectangle, coordinates of a left top and the right bottom corner and required to draw the rectangle. And after that the ellipse are there. So ellipse are used the functions of the integer x, integer y, and start angle, end angle, and the integer x radius and integer y radius are there. These functions are the mandatory for using the ellipse function. So the ellipse functions to use the draw ellipse with a center xy, starting angle, end angle, radius of x and y axis. And after that the last one is the out text xy, the integer x, integer y, and the text are given there for the insert the text at a given position as the positions of x and y coordinates are there. So the first procedure of this here, the list different basic graphics function, select the proper function to draw a respective object. If you have to draw the line, you can use the line functions are there. If you have to draw a circle, then you can use the circle functions are there. And then use the proper syntax of a selected functions and check the required format of outputs are there. And this is the simple C program is used for to draw a line, circle, rectangle and ellipse are there and adding the text in the given position. So the init GD is the variable is used for giving the init graph, and init graph is the ready-made functions which is used to initialize the graphics mode. The stdio.h graphics.h, this is the header file must be included for every graphics programs. Then conio.h, dos.h for including the delay functions are there. And then integer GD is equal to detect GM is equal to detect the best available graphics driver, the GM is equal to graphics modes are there. And init graph and ampersand GD and ampersand GMs, and ampersand is the these are passing the address of the constant, and we are using the ampersand symbols of here. Then the output pixels are there, plot the pixel for the red colors are there. And out text is given for the text in a particular position. Then line functions are used. These line functions are used as an integer x1, integer y1, integer x2 and y2. These functions is used to draw a line from point x1 y1 starting point to point x2 y2 ending point. So the x1 x2 is the 100, 70, 200, 100. Then 170 is the x1 and y1, and after that x2 y2. Then circle 230, 50, 50, and 230, 50, 50 is the denoted as a integer x and y, and after the radius are given there. After that the ellipse are. The ellipse is the integer x, y, start angle, end angle, and integer x radius and integer y radius. So integer x is the 450, integer y is the 50, 0 is the start angle, end angle is the 360, and integer x radius is the 100, y radius is the 175. This function is used to draw an ellipse and get ch. Then come to our point, the practical number 1. Write a program to draw following graphics objects using built-in C functions. Then the first is the pixel, then line, then circle, rectangle and ellipse are there. So first is programs for the pixels. Then here stdio.h graphics.h is given here, graphics.h is given for the header file is the graphics, and it is the mandatory to use whenever you have to draw the files there. And then init GD is equal to detect GM, and init GD we are writing the GD detect, it means the highest possible value available for detector driver is assigned to GD. Then init graph ampersand GD and GM is there and given the path to the accessing the data. Then put pixels are there, green, red, yellow, cyan, blue, white, light blue, light greens are there, and using the put pixel is used for to draw a pixels at a given positions. So x and y's value are given there. The put x's value is 85 and 35, and the green pixels are there, and its position is the x and y is there, the 85 and 35. Similar this 30 40 is the red color, 115 is and 50 is the yellow, sand, blue, white, light blue, and light green, yellow, red. These are the 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 10 pixels are 10 pixels are there, and after that they get ch, and then close graph is used to come out of the graphics mode and set the display mode to its the original text mode. And after execution of these programs, you have to first of all compile these programs, and after compiling, when the zero errors are appear on the screen, that times you can execute these programs. And after the execution, you have seen the output is the dots are there, and this is called as the pixels. So next is the implementation for drawing line. And as usual, graphics.h, conio.h, and stdio.h header files are given for beginning of the programs. And then void main functions, in it gd has to given the initial graph, and then you have to pass the %gd and %gms are the value. Then clr scl, then when you have to draw the line, that times you can you can you can put the value of x and y coordinate, and as well as the ending point of the values x2 and y2 are there. So x1 and y1's value is the 250 and 200, and x2 and y2's value is the 400 and 300. And as usual, the gate ch are there, and close graph. And then after executions of these programs, you have to you get output of your screen is the line are there. And then next is the implementation for drawing circle. Then graphics.h, conio.h, stdio.h, then similar of the line programs, but you have to write here the circle. The circles values are given as the integer x and y, as well as radius are there. After executions of these programs, you have to get the outputs of the circle as a circle sets the output. So next is the drawing a rectangle. Then graphics.h, conio.h, and stdio.h. Then use the similar, the rectangle functions are used for the draw a rectangle. And then show figure, so output is given here. After the executions of this program, the output is shown here. Then after that, the ellipse are there. Then as usual, the line functions, ellipse functions, and ellipse functions are used of functions integer x, y, start angle, end angle, and integer x radius and integer y radius are there. And these values are denoted as a x radius, y radius, start angle, end angles as usual. And after the executions of these programs, you have to see this ellipse is like this. And then student, here the first practicals is over. So now the assignment is given here. This images is blur, so I will detect the assignment. Then what is graphics driver and the graphics mode? Then what is the path of the graphics driver? Then list 4 applications of the graphics, computer graphics, and define the terms of pixels, line, and raster scan graphics. Here practical number 1 is over.